guys, welcome back to the channel Love and Lust Lessons. Today, we're diving into the tantalizing world of attraction and revealing the top 10 things women secretly notice first in a man. Yes, we're talking about that sexual spark. It's more than just looks, it's about how you carry yourself, the energy you project, and the vibe that gets her pulse racing. So, let's jump right into it. Number 1, the way he walks. Number 1, it's all about the way you walk. That strut tells a woman everything she needs to know about your confidence, your dominance, and yes, even how you might perform in bed. A man who walks with purpose and swagger, that's a man who knows what he wants, and women feel that power. It's subtle, but believe me, they notice. Number 2 is voice. The second thing women pay close attention to is your voice. A deep, commanding voice oozes sensuality. It's like a preview of how you'll handle intimate moments. Slow, deliberate, and incredibly seductive. Women are drawn to men who speak with authority, but also with a hint of mystery, making them wonder what else you've got up your sleeve or beneath those clothes. Cut 2. Number 3 is hands. Next up, women love a man with strong, capable hands. Why? Because hands aren't just for holding, they tell a story. Are they rough, experienced, showing you can handle both work and play? Or are they soft, teasing her imagination about how they'd feel on her skin? Either way, a quick glance at your hands can send her mind spinning with possibilities. Cut 2. Number 4, his scent. The power of scent. Believe it or not, a man's smell can be incredibly arousing. It's more primal than you think. Women are wired to notice a man's natural scent, mixed with the right cologne, which can drive them wild. A good fragrance? That's the key to creating a lingering impression long after you've left the room. Number 5 is eyes. Number 5, your eyes. There's nothing quite like eye contact to create a sexual connection. When you look deeply into her eyes, it's like telling her a secret, a promise of what's to come. Strong, unwavering eye contact shows her that you're confident, interested, and maybe even a little daring. Trust me, those few seconds can leave her wanting more. Number 6 is lips. And of course, the lips. Women notice your lips because they're imagining what it would be like to kiss them, feel them against their skin, and more. Are they soft, kissable? Do they move sensually when you speak? Even a subtle bite of your lower lip can drive her wild, giving her a glimpse into how passionate you might be when things heat up. Number 7 is confidence. Number 7, confidence. Not arrogance, but genuine confidence that says you're comfortable in your skin. Women love a man who knows who he is and isn't afraid to show it. A confident man can make any woman feel desired, and that's what sparks sexual chemistry. It's in your posture, your gestures, your presence. You don't even have to say a word, she'll feel it. Number 8 is style. Let's talk about style. No, you don't have to be a fashion icon, but the way you dress speaks volumes. Women are visual creatures too, and a man who knows how to put together an outfit with just the right touch of class and edge is instantly more attractive. Whether it's a well-fitted suit or casual jeans and a crisp shirt, your clothes give off the vibe of how you care for yourself, and possibly her. Number 9 is touch. Number 9 is all about touch. Even in a casual setting, women notice how you touch. Are you gentle, firm, intentional? A light, lingering touch on her back or arm can send electric signals through her body. Women notice how you interact physically, even before anything sexual happens, and it sets the stage for how things might escalate later. Number 10, his energy. Finally, it's all about energy. Women are incredibly perceptive when it comes to the vibes you give off. Is your energy magnetic, playful, seductive? Do you exude that sexual charisma without even trying? Women can sense if a man is comfortable in his sexuality, and it's one of the biggest turn-ons. Your energy doesn't have to scream alpha male. It's more about how you carry yourself and the mood you set. So, there you have it, the top 10 things women notice first in a man. And yes, many of them are incredibly sensual. It's all about confidence, connection, and how you make her feel. If you can master even a few of these, trust me, you'll leave a lasting impression that goes way beyond the surface. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, keep it smooth.